Is Nissan on the brink of collapse? Reports suggest that the iconic automaker may only have 12 months of cash left to survive. But what caused this once dominant company to fall into crisis? And is there any hope for recovery? Let's break it all down with insights from trusted sources and industry experts. Welcome back to Up to Date Insider, where we analyze the biggest stories in business, tech, and world events. Today we are looking at Nissan's financial struggles and what led to their current situation. In this video, we'll discuss Nissan's financial crisis, the factors driving their decline, the key leadership decisions contributing to their struggles, and what the company needs to do to survive. If you're ready for this deep dive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. First, let's address the numbers. Nissan's financial health has deteriorated significantly over the last few years. According to Reuters, Nissan's profits have dropped by over 90% compared to the previous year. Their global vehicle sales have been in steady decline, down 3.8% year-on-year in 2024, with China, one of their largest markets, seeing a staggering 14.3% drop. This steep decline in revenue has left the company with just 12 to 14 months of operating cash, as reported by industry insiders and Bloomberg. What does this mean? Simply put, if Nissan doesn't turn things around, they risk running out of money by 2025, a shocking scenario for such a historic brand. Now, let's look at the reasons behind this downfall. Number 1. Leadership instability. Nissan has faced significant leadership turmoil in recent years, starting with the high-profile scandal involving former CEO Carlos Ghosn. The aftermath of his departure has caused trust issues and a lack of strategic direction. Recently, CFO Stephen Ma was reassigned to focus on China operations, as reported by the Nikkei, which signals ongoing restructuring and uncertainty at the top. Number 2. Outdated product line. Nissan has struggled to innovate its lineup and keep pace with competitors like Toyota and Tesla, who are dominating the EV market. Their reliance on aging models has hurt their appeal in key markets. Number 3. Slow adoption of electric vehicles. While the automotive industry is shifting to electric vehicles, Nissan has been slow to respond. The Nissan Leaf, once a market leader, has been eclipsed by newer, more advanced EVs. According to The Verge, Nissan's EV investment lags far behind Tesla, BYD, and even emerging competitors in Europe and China. Nissan's decline isn't just about the company itself, it reflects bigger trends in the global auto market. Number 1. Competition from China. Chinese automakers like BYD and NIO have surged ahead in the EV market, offering cheaper and more advanced options. Nissan's failure to compete in China, where their sales dropped 14.3%, has been a massive setback. Number 2. The EV revolution. With the shift towards sustainability, consumers are demanding electric vehicles. Nissan's inability to capitalize on this trend has left them behind. Meanwhile, Tesla continues to dominate the market share, and Toyota's hybrid strategy has proven more successful. Number 3. Economic pressures. Rising production costs, supply chain disruptions, and inflation have hit Nissan hard. Bloomberg reports that Nissan's production capacity is currently underutilized, leading to further financial strain. How can Nissan survive? What is the path to recovery? Is there any hope for Nissan? Experts say there is, but it requires a bold strategy. Number 1. Aggressive EV investment. Nissan must double down on electric vehicles, introducing new models that can compete with Tesla and Chinese automakers. The upcoming Aria SUV is a step in the right direction, and it needs widespread success. Number 2. Cost-cutting measures. Nissan has announced plans to cut 9,000 jobs and reduce production by 20%, as reported by AP News. While painful, but these measures are essential to stabilize the company. Number 3. Strategic partnerships. Reports from the Financial Times suggest Nissan is exploring partnerships with other automakers, including Honda, to share technology and reduce cost. Such alliances could help Nissan regain momentum. Number 4. Rebuilding brand trust. Nissan needs to re-establish its reputation through innovative products, strong marketing, and a clear focus on the future. Simply surviving is no longer enough. They need to win back their loyal customers. Nissan's financial crisis is a wake-up call for the entire auto industry. If they fail to adapt, the company risks becoming the latest victim of the EV revolution. But with bold decisions and a clear vision, Nissan could still turn the tide. What do you think? Can Nissan make a comeback, or is this the end of the road for them? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of global events. Thanks for watching.